Hello, Cheru, my good boy. Can I come in? Yes, Daddy, you can come in. My boy, my Cheru. I know everyone asks about my Cheru. How's the Cheru doing? Well, guys, I just wanted to share with you today. My baby, he got sick. He got sick for a couple days. But now he's feeling much better. He's a loving boy. He's staying inside. It's too hot. We have a California fire and the temperature has been over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And my baby boy is just sleeping all day inside. But past couple days, he started getting diarrhea. And this is what I do. I just wanted to share with you. If you have your loving boy, like my Cheru, and they got sick, and how you can take care of him. And this is what I do. This is the Pedialyte. I have noticed that if I give it to him regular water, and it's always good idea so the dogs don't dehydrate. But he starts throwing up. He threw up this morning, he threw up this afternoon. So now I got this Pedialyte, which is really better for them. Pila, good boy. So I have to tell him, it's good for you. See, Daddy bought it for you. Yeah? Okay. So just give him little by little, not too much, so that he can feel more comfortable. Then another diet, I try to give him chicken breast and rice, and notice that he was eating it. Then I went to store again. I bought the rotisserie chicken, the whole chicken, and I just shredded out the chicken and gave it to him. I think that is not a good diet to give it to him when they are stomach upset. Their digestive system goes bad. And then I went back. This is what I try to give it to him. I just got one pack. I gave him this morning half of it, half I'm giving him now. What I did basically, I put like a 1 cup of water and bring the water to boil. Then I added that. Along with that, I added the rice. I'm going to give it to him. No touching. I just gave him some rice and the chicken. He didn't eat it. So it's a good idea to give him your rice as well. But please don't add anything into it. Totally blend diet. Like a blend food. No salt, no sugar, nothing. Okay. This is for Cheru. This is a good boy. See, if you notice that he started eating it, it makes him feel better. Good boy. Go eat. Enjoy. Slowly, okay? Yeah? You're feeling better already? You're feeling better? Yeah? You're such a doggy boy. Such a bad boy. You're giving hard time to Daddy? No, Daddy. But he's so good. You know, he's not making any mess. He's telling me, and you guys know that he's a designated place. He tells me he wants to go. We open the door for him, just run out there, do his business, then he comes back. But now he's feeling much better since this afternoon. He slept a while. Then I went back on my channel and somebody was asking, how's Cheru doing? Then I just thought about it to, make another video, quick video. If your dog is not feeling better, try these things and those going to help him to recover faster.
Cheru?
Mama is asking
Cheru, feeling better? Cheru?
Now he's busy. My wife is calling him. Otherwise, he's always listening. He's so good boy. I know he's been hungry. I know you guys saying that he's a big boy. Yes, he's a big boy. He never give any hard time. Such a darling baby. So I'm going to let him enjoy it. So this is the food for him. And please, announce.
Hi, Cheru. Hi, Cheru.
Mama
Cheru,
Jane,
good
Mama
boy.
Jane, you're doing okay? Yes, Mama, I'm feeling better. Okay. So I just thought quick video that Shiru is doing fine. He's getting better. But one thing I always say to the pet owners: if your pet is not feeling better, please take it to the vet. Don't do the home remedies and all that. But I know what my Shiru is, so I'm taking care of him well. And sometimes getting stomach upset, they take care of themselves. They don't eat one time or one day. They just go into hibernation. So don't feel bad or anything. Shiru is doing really well. And thank you guys for asking how he's doing and how he's behaving in this hot weather. He's most of the time he stays inside. I'm taking him out at the night time when it's like a 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock when the weather goes down to like a 70s or 68. Then up to morning. Then at 7 o'clock back in again. So now he's feeling better, as you see. I'm not giving him water right now, but I'm trying to push him to drink Pedialyte and give him in small portions. So thank you guys, and I'm going to see you soon. So Shiru going to say goodbye. He's
Bye,
busy.
Shiru.
He's busy. He just say bye.